Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to learn how to transpose a table in Power BI with examples, so please watch the complete video so that you don't miss out on your learning. In the previous video, we had explained in detail about append queries. If you had not watched that video, click on the above link. If you're new to Power BI, don't worry, we have created a complete watch list that will guide you step by step, where we explain everything you need to know. So let's dive into Power BI and see how it's done. The transpose table operation in Power Query rotates your table 90 degrees, turning your rows into columns and your columns into rows. We have a table with 3 rows and 4 columns. The goal of this example is to transpose that table so you end up with 4 rows and 3 columns as shown. On the Transform tab in the ribbon, select Transpose, give it a few seconds. You can see the Power BI is working, and on the right side Power has recorded your step as a transposed table. The headers you need in this example are in the first row of the table. To promote the first row to headers, select the table icon in the upper left corner of the data preview, and then select Use First Row as Headers. Now you can see our data has been transformed from row to column. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. In the next video, we are going to discuss merge queries in Power BI. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on your learning, and thank you for watching.